Click on the link below to get price. The M2 Pro electric bike delivers an impressive blend of power, versatility, and comfort, making it a game changer for both commuting and off-road adventures. With an 1800W motor, this electric bike can reach speeds up to 28 miles per hour, providing an exhilarating ride that can easily tackle steep hills and rough terrain. The robust motor is paired with a 48V lithium battery, offering a range of approximately 35 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions. This makes it an excellent option for daily commutes as well as weekend excursions. One of the standout features of the M2 Pro is its 26-inch X4.0-inch fat tires. These oversized tires enhance stability and traction, allowing for smooth rides on various surfaces, whether it's city streets, gravel paths, or sandy beaches. The bike feels sturdy and secure, giving riders confidence even when navigating bumpy trails. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars ensure that riders can find a comfortable riding position, accommodating a variety of heights. The bike's frame is made from high-quality aluminum, which not only contributes to its lightweight design but also ensures durability. The design includes front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, which is particularly important at higher speeds. Additionally, the M2 Pro features a built-in LCD display that shows speed, battery level, and distance traveled, allowing riders to easily monitor their performance. While the bike offers a powerful motor and high-quality components, assembly can be somewhat challenging for those who are not mechanically inclined. However, once assembled, the M2 Pro electric bike shines in performance. The ability to switch between pedal assist and full electric mode adds to its versatility, catering to different riding preferences and conditions. In conclusion, the M2 Pro electric bike is a fantastic investment for anyone seeking an electric bike that combines performance, comfort, and style. Its powerful motor, durable build, and thoughtful design make it an excellent choice for both leisure and practical use.